Is your Klaviyo video upload failing because of the 10 megabyte file limit? Discover how to quickly add a video to Klaviyo in under 2 minutes. We'll start by navigating to the media section, then select your video, handle the file size requirement, and finish with a successful upload.
Click on Content.
Then head over to Media and Brand. Then click on Videos. Now go ahead and click on Upload Media. Then click Select Media and pick the video from your computer. But keep in mind, the file needs to be 10 megabytes or lower, so we'll need to switch. Click Select Media again and choose a video that's under the limit. Finally, hit Upload and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.